In many factories, operators don't follow standards. They follow targets. If target is high, speed increases. If pressure is high, chucks are skipped. If time is less, shortcuts are taken. So the real question is, are operators doing wrong, or are they just following what the system is asking them to do? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand why operators follow targets instead of standards, what problems it creates, and how to build a system where standards are actually followed. Simple, practical, and based on real shop floor experience. So what these problems looks like? Let's see a real situation. Standard says follow defined steps, maintain process parameters, perform checks, but on the shop floor, work is done faster. Some steps are skipped, checks are reduced. Why? Because target pressure is high. Operator is thinking complete target first. Standard becomes secondary. Let me give you a simple example. A process requires checking every 30 minutes, but production is behind. So operator decides, skip one check, nothing happens immediately. Next time, two checks are skipped and slowly checking becomes irregular. This is how standard breaks. So what damage this creates? When standards are not followed, process variation increases, defects increase, rework increases, and most important, problems are detected late. Then customer complaints increase, pressure increases, blame starts. So how this becomes normal? This does not happen in one day. First time, standard is skipped due to urgency. Second time, it is adjusted. Third time, it becomes habit. After some time, shortcut becomes normal. And standard exits only on paper. So what is the real root cause? Let's understand why this happens. First, targets are stronger than standards. Operators are measured on output, not on standard adherence. So naturally, they focus on target. Second, mixed signals from management. Management says follow SOP, but also says complete target at any cost. Operator understand real priority. Third, no monitoring of standards. Nobody checks daily. Standard is followed or not, so deviations increase. Fourth, standards are not practical. Sometimes standards are too complex, not matching actual work. So operators modify them. Fifth, no immediate feedback. When standard is not followed, no immediate consequence. So behavior continues. Why operator follow targets? Let's understand behavior. Operators respond to what is measured, what is appreciated, what is questioned. If only output is measured, output becomes focus. If standard is not reviewed, it is ignored. Many managers think operators are not disciplined. This is not correct. Operators follow system signals. If system prioritizes target, operators will follow target. We need to shift from push for output to control process, because good process gives good output. Without process control, output is unstable. So, what a strong system looks like? In a strong system, standards are simple. Standards are visible. Standards are followed daily. Operators don't need to choose. System guides them. So what's a practical solution for this? Let's make it practical. First, balance target and standard. Do not push only output. Track both. Output, standard adherence. Both are important. Second, make standards simple. Simplify SOPs and instructions. Use clear steps, visuals, short formats, easy to follow. Third, monitor daily. Supervisors must check are standards followed, not only output. Fourth, use daily management system. Daily review output, quality, issues. This creates balance. Fifth, give immediate feedback. If standard is not followed, correct immediately. Do not ignore. Sixth, align measurement system, including KPI, standard adherence. What is measured gets followed. 7. Leadership behavior. Leadership must support standards. If they ignore deviation for output, system breaks. So what are the common mistakes to avoid? Pushing output at any cost. Ignoring standard deviations. Complex SOPs. No follow. These weaken system. So what's the role of leadership? Leadership must set clear priorities. Support standard adherence. Avoid conflicting instructions. Their behavior defines system. When standards are followed, process becomes stable. Defects reduce. Rework reduces. Outcome becomes consistent. And most important, system becomes reliable. Operators don't ignore standards. They follow system signals. If system pushes target, standards will break. If system supports standards, output will improve. Fix the system, not the operator. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you want to build a system where operators follow standards naturally, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.